Hi, I'm Brian Petrie of TechStocksRock. In today's highly volatile stock market, it's nice to find a company that's showing 50% growth and profitability, but is still flying under the radar of many investors. Clearfield is that company, and it's finding success in manufacturing and selling fiber optic and copper connectors in the telecommunications market. Clearfield's headquarters are in Minneapolis, and their products are manufactured both there and by U.S. and other global partners. As we see the continuing rapid growth in the telecom, internet, cloud computing, and mobile markets, the backbone infrastructure must also grow to support it. All of those strands of fiber optic cable must be spliced and connected without signal degradation. That's where Clearfield comes into the picture, with its cable assemblies and other products that are designed to be used in the most demanding environments. Clearfield is also positioning for the future by producing products for the last mile, directly into homes and offices, which will become more important as fiber optic technology advances. Clearfield's financials are what shine at the moment. They have no debt, their revenue was up 49% last quarter, gross profit was up 66%, and net income was up a whopping 103%. They're outperforming the communications equipment sector by upwards of 175%, and their stock price is up 160% in the last 52 weeks. This is a great breakout stock that has defied the turmoil in the market. We believe the company has momentum and should maintain its profits moving forward. To gain an investment edge, visit our website at TechStocksRock.com and sign up for our newsletter about hot trends driving tech stocks.